Alright, so di ba marami ngayong nagsasabi na yung mga courses like music, no, mga performance, ganyan, arts are not worth it daw kunin sa college because hindi ka daw magkakapera dito. Well, I think that's not the case for a lot of people naman, no? Kasi yung pera, dumadating lang yan sa mga tao na marunong din sa pera, di ba? Or naiintindihan nila the value of money, no? You don't need a high paying job to earn a lot, di ba? But you have to have soft skills din na naibibigay ng mga ganitong courses. So let's talk about what else aside from education or mastery ng education yung makukuha mo kapag nag-music school ka. Okay? So kasi merong gray area when it comes to music, di ba? Parang it's so universal that everyone can be a musician. Kahit hindi conservatory na tapos mo, there are a lot of musicians na iba yung course nila nung college. Yung iba hindi nga nakapag-college, pero you know, they earn a decent living. Ito yung primary source of income nila, yung pagtugtog, pag-perform, but they didn't even finish a music degree. Pero meron ka rin makukuha sa loob ng music school na makakatulong sa'yo, especially if you don't know where you need to go or wala kang path. Okay, so number one is of course guidance ng mga mentors mo, kasi yung mga mentors naman usually sa music school are part of the industry, di ba? Mga concert artists, performers, session musicians, lounge musicians, lahat ng klase, no? Lahat yan nagigig din yan, nakikita mo minsan nakakasabay mo sa gig, di ba, sa event. So matuturuan ka nila ng anong diskarte, anong pwedeng gawin, no, na mga experiences nila, lahat may tuturo nila yan sa'yo. So hindi, I think dun pa lang worth it na yan, no? Another thing is of course connections, no? So search around, no? A lot of musical groups usually formed during their college days, no? Maraming string quartets, maraming orchestras, mini orchestras, maraming chamber groups ang nabuo dahil magkakaklase sila, parehas sila ng prof sa college, parehas sila ng classes na tinitake. So yung time slot nila was pare-pareha, so nakapag-practice nila, and then those groups were formed and you know are now in the industry, no? Ako, mga kasama ko sa mga events, no, are some of my oldest classmates, di ba? Mga kaklase ko nung first year. Pagpasok ko lang namin ng music school, nag-start kami mag-gig when we were in first year college, hanggang sa nakagraduate kami yung magkakasama sa mga events, sa mga productions and performances. So makakabuo ka agad ng network. Of course, because you are like-minded people, pare-parehas kayo ng goals, pare-parehas kayo ng aspirations as musicians, mas madali kayo magbe-blend in together. So, yun, yung community na build, di ba? Hindi yun na ituturo, hindi yun na kukuha sa labas, especially if you're not part of that community, di ba? Kaya nga minsan may mga groups na etong school na to kagaling, okay, siguro good to. Or, teacher mo si ganito. Diba? Yun yung mga tanong eh. Hindi naman actually tinanong agad na, graduate ka ba dito? Or ano? Saan ka nag-aral? Sino yung mga teachers mo? Sino yung mga kasabayan mo? Yan ang mga tanong, diba? Sa mga events. Okay? Sa mga musicians pag magkakasama kayo. Another thing is of course to build discipline. Kasi you know, sabi nga nila, college was not about just education and earning money, no? Sabi nila, it trains you to be part of the workforce, which is true, but also it trains you to work on routines, to be disciplined, to come on time, punctuality, di ba? Pumasok sa school. Kasi paglabas mo naman in the real world, di ba? Even if you run a business, yun nga mas mahirap eh pag business yung nirarun mo, no? For example, meron kang group, no? Hindi pwedeng a-absent ka sa sarili mong negosyo. Di walang kumita, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng malate sa mga meetings, hindi ka pwedeng malate sa mga negotiations. So, kailangan punctual ka. Naituturo yan sa school. Kasi kung hindi ka mag-aaral, wala kang sense of discipline, di ba? Kung ano na lang ibigay sa iyo ng mundo, yun na lang yung tatanggapin mo, parang gano'n. So, when you are in school, it gives you that discipline to work. Paano ba magtrabaho na sometimes hindi lahat ng work mo is perfect, and to realize na okay, meron pa akong pwedeng ayusin to improve myself. So parang ganoon, no? So hindi lang yung hard skills yung i-improve natin, kundi yung soft skills natin. So music school is really somewhere you can develop, and you're not really sheltered. Iniisip to iba dahil nasa loob yan, wala yang alam, puro tugtog lang ng ganito, puro ano lang. No, it teaches you to live a life after, diba? Yun yung importante, kasi kung ituturo lang sa'yo puro skills lang, di paglabas mo maghahanap ka lang din ng ganon. And sometimes opportunities outside are not given to you. You have to work for it harder than everyone else para makuha mo, diba? So yun yung mga nakukuha natin when we enroll in music school, na oo, pwede ka naman talagang magigig lang, no? It could earn you a good amount of money, pero mas mahirap mag-build ng network, mas mahirap mag-build ng connections, mas mahirap mag-build ng community. Kasi nasa school, pare-parehas kayo ng ginagawa, pare-parehas kayo ng gusto. And that alone creates something na yung band na yon, no? Or yung nai-instill sa'yo na work ethic. Ayan. Kasi habang estudyante ka, okay lang, na-late ka isang beses, nagkamali ka, diba? Nasa loob ka pa ng school You're expected to grow and learn. Pero paglabas mo ng real world, at least kahit pa paano, well-equipped ka na, diba? So, hindi naman sa hindi worth it mag-music. No, you just have to find the right reasons to go into music schools, diba? Kasi, hindi rin naman lahat ng lawyer, hindi rin naman lahat ng doctors successful in a sense, 'di ba? Hindi lahat ng nakatapos ng ganitong course ay ganon. If we compare those things, wala, 'di ba? Kailangan din ng musicians, kailangan din ng artists, kailangan din ng writers, kailangan din ng lahat, 'di ba? It's a sense of balance Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin that one is better than the other, because we work hand in hand with each other. So don't spread hate siguro, no, sa mga taong nagsasabi ng ganyan na wala naman pera dyan, or hindi ka kayayaman dyan. Hindi naman lahat din na tao gusto yumaman di ba? Yung iba, they just want to live a fulfilled life, di ba? So do whatever makes you comfortable, do whatever makes you happy, no? Kasi in the long run, kung gagalingan mo sa trabaho mo, magiging the best version ka of yourself, whatever field you're in, no? Money will come. And it will come because you've earned it, 'di ba? Hindi rin naman 'yan ibibigay sa iyo kahit saan namang industry siguro, wala namang binibigyan lang ng pera, 'di ba? You have to earn something. That's why we earn a living, 'di ba? Hindi man natin sinasabi we get money for a living. Wala namang ganun. There's no such thing. So just do your work, do the best na kaya mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, and you'll be rewarded. Siyempre, kailangan lagi ka nagpa-practice pag nasa music school ka. Anyway, so yan. Sana nakatulong to make your decisions, especially those people going into college na, bakit sabi nila wala daw pera dyan? No, lahat naman walang pera kung hindi mo pagtatrabahuhan. Yun lang yung tandaan nyo. So, good luck sa inyo.